Alright, you got an LG Aristo and you want to replace the camera, front or back. This is how you do it. Take the back off. Take the battery out. Take these 10 screws out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Take these 10 screws out. This is the same for front or back camera. Okay, once we have all the 10 screws out, we set them aside in a safe place somewhere, and then we take the screen off the phone carefully. You can use your thumbnail or a guitar pick or a nail file or a small knife. Take apart the back cover, and this is the back camera, and this is the front camera. So whichever one you want to replace, if we're replacing the back camera, this ribbon cable needs to be carefully lifted with a, try and zoom in there, a small blade. A small flat nail file. So we lift this up, this ribbon cable, carefully lift it up. This is for the back camera. This is the back camera. Like that. Alright. That's all there is to it. That's the back camera. Alright. And the front camera is the same thing. There's a flat ribbon cable right here. Carefully work around it, pry it up like that, and out it comes. That's your old camera. To the side, take your new camera. Lay it in the same way as your old camera was. And make sure this, see there's grooves on the bottom. There's an open groove right here. Just make sure it lines up with that. Groove on the motherboard. You can see that, and push it in. That's all you got to do, like that. That's the back camera. And when you're putting your new front camera in, it's the same thing. Except the lens goes the other way, faces down. Push in carefully the ribbon cable. And that's it. Put the back cover to the motherboard on, and we put our 10 screws back in. And that's it. Thanks for watching.